When buying a home, most people focus on the down payment, but there's several hidden costs that can catch buyers off guard. One of the biggest expenses is closing costs, which typically range from 2 to 5% of the purchase price. These costs include lender fees, title insurance, and attorney fees, among others. Many buyers don't realize how quickly these add up and are surprised at closing. Another expense to consider is the cost of inspections and appraisals. A home inspection is critical to identify any potential issues before you finalize your purchase. While it's an additional cost up front, it can save you thousands in unexpected repairs later. Similarly, an appraisal ensures the home is worth what you're paying for it, and lenders require it before approving the loan. Moving expenses can also be significant, whether you're hiring a professional or renting a truck. Additionally, once you're in the home, utility deposits, furniture costs, and minor upgrades can add up quickly. If your home is in a neighborhood with a homeowners association or HOA, you might also have a monthly or annual fee that should be factored into your monthly budget. Planning for these hidden costs ensures that you won't be caught off guard during the home buying process. If you want to make sure you're financially prepared, we can walk you through every step. Call us today at 919-740-0379 and make it a great day.